simulation trading where I have the market open on TradingView and I'm using paper and pen to, for example, this is a trade that would have been profitable if I had money in, so I have a little hand drawn of the chart, and trade one I open to sell at the price 165.75 with Adidas, and it was about 12, and I put my first take profit at 165.25, put my stop loss at 166.50, second take profit at 165.0, and then I have it open on the screen here, and it went, I was just taking note as it went down, and already 20 minutes later we hit my first take profit. It hit 165.20, and now it's currently sitting at 165.25. So we keep an eye on here. You can see, so here it was, this is around, it was between 11:50 and a bit before 12, and it was about here. So as I say, I simulated it and sold and hit my first take profit here. And I've also now got this open, and here you can see, so my trade is a sell, take profit, first take profit will be at 1.16028, second take profit at 1.15820, stop loss at 1.16190. And what I'm doing is basically, this is demo trading. So let's say I had money in a demo account right now, then it's the same thing. I'm just using paper and pen, and I'm doing this to, practice before using real money. And for myself and for anybody else who's trying to get into trading, that's what these videos are for, because it's proof and it's data, and it's just, I'll speak as I go along a bit to what my thought processes are, and as I say, it'll be beneficial for me and beneficial to whoever else. And right now it's 12:27 in Germany, so not all of the markets are open. That's why I'm just going to take a look now what else we can do. I'm going to take a look at gold. I'll be back in a sec. I just need to quickly fill up my coffee. So gold, mostly comments. All right, gold. Okay. Here you got gold. So we're gonna go. Gold is at 4.221. 4.221.73. And we are going to buy or sell. What would you guys do? So it's 12:29 Central European time. Gold is at 422.93. Where's the time? Just trying to see what it was at earlier on today. What's the time? What time is this? Oh, November, one day. Okay, here we go, guys. So 9 a.m. we was at 4214. Okay. So boom, 4225. 4225. 422. 419, and now we're at 42. So there's a breakthrough point here, 4229, 4225. So I'm going to simulate a buy and a sell with this one. So we're gonna buy at the price of 42232. 4220302. We're gonna do a buy. Okay, like this. And we will do, just want to zoom in a bit more. So what time, this is from the time frame of 12 to 12:30. Let's look about here, 4227. So we're gonna then do first take profit at 4227. Okay, we'll do a stop loss for, let's do a stop loss at 419, 420. Um, 429. Okay, and then second take profit, we'll do here, 4229. Tyler Hoon, what the fuck? Who are you talking to? 4229.44. And then what I do is we're gonna do time window 1 to 2 hours, meaning at 1:30 to 14:30. I'll be back in a sec. Gold. Am I an AI generation robot or a human being or something else? I don't know, man. You tell me. Okay, so gold is a buy. It's at 4226 now. Oh wow, that happened quite quickly. See, look, guys, this is what I'm talking about. So my first take profit, 4227. Gold is now at 42260. So just for the sake of time, I don't have a lot of time, as we'll do just a rough drawing here. So it's gone down, 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 and I bought in about here, and now it's gone up, and we're at we're at 4, 2, 2, 6. So I've only got to go up a little bit more, and then I'll get my first take profit already. 1200 hours, 9 a.m. And I bought in at, what price was it here? 4225. 4225. Okay, so let gold do its thing for a minute and take a look back at Adidas. Boom. Adidas 16505, and Adidas, I have my second take profit at exactly 165. So again, just for the sake of visualization, we're now at 165. So look, people, we've just opened 3 trades, and so far my Adidas trade in a span of an hour would have already hit the first take profit, and we're closing in, boom, just hit it. So that's the second take profit. So we've got that Adidas trade would now be closed, and I would have taken my profit. Okay, so you guys could have done that with real life money and would have made money on the Adidas trade. German time right now. So that went well. Now we've got the euro US dollar currently at 1617 and 16182. So this one is going up right now. And this is a buy, right? Yeah, damn. So this was oh no, my bad. I put it at a sell actually. So, and this is why this is important to do, right? Because now we're seeing that this would have been a good buy. Okay. Oh wait, it just fluctuated. I'll come back to that. Yeah, I gotta go in about 10 minutes. I'm just looking at gold. Gold 225. Okay. Yeah, guys, feel free to subscribe and follow me on this journey, because I will share openly everything I do, and we can learn and grow and make money together, you know? And my plan is so there's some German market times, you know, like European, and then we have the London market and New York market, and yeah, so we'll come back around 4 p.m. and continue at 4 p.m. when most of the other stuff is open, and we'll simulate some more trades. So yeah, I'm gonna say it for myself and for anybody out there that's also trying to get into it and be a successful trader. Obviously that's the goal. Is the best thing to do in this beginning stage before putting in a lot of capital on the line and taking that risk is to do this, you know. So whether it's like simulation with demo accounts or doing it like this, you know, it's a way to be in the live market or open market and just take notes of what you would do, and then you have record of everything, and then a week from now, a month from now, when you put real money in, you'll have experience and you'll be able to look back. And it's just about getting a feel for it, you know. I have some real money in an account, in a Trade Republic account, which we could take a look at too. However, for day trading like this, I need to use plus 500. Yeah, guys, let me know if you have any other advice, but basically plus 500 is one where I'll explain a bit more in detail another time, but basically for buying and trading, you need to have as close to the price as possible, and plus 500 is good for that. Yeah, like I said, I've got to go, but what's cool is I've got note of all of this now. So when I come back in about an hour or two, I'll be able to see how the trades have gone. And we're going to continue doing this. And, you know, I want to practice to become what I want to be. I don't want to sit in front of the computer for 6-8 hours a day, but I will happily do an hour on the most important sessions and times of the day. So I'm still figuring out, but I'd say for me, it's about around about 1200 Central European time. And then we'll come back around 3-4 p.m. Central European time. And then maybe again in the evening around 7 or 8. And we'll just keep simulating trades and get a feel for it and take note of what would have been profit, what would be loss. This is the best way you guys are going to learn, you know, to simulate. So go open a TradingView account and just take note of it, you know. Just start taking notes. And look, right now, boom. I'm telling you guys, man. So the gold just hit 229, right? Take profit 22944, and it's at 22956. So again, let's just do this. It hit 22956. So take profit 1. We've got that. Okay. My stop loss is still, we're doing good. Look, 422958. And my next take profit is at 229. Oh, yeah, 22944. Okay, so actually we hit that too. So gold would have also got me now closed the trade and done well on gold. And what we could learn for next time is, since it really comfortably hit this, we could have taken our second profit at higher up, maybe even at the 233 mark. So what we'll do is we'll do a take profit free just to see how it would have gone. We'll do a take profit free at let's do 233. No, let's do 233. 233. Sorry, let's not make this shit. 233. So later on, when I'm back, we'll check if we can hit this. So guys, do what I'm doing here, simulate what you would do, and the more confident you get with this, once you start to have a good track record, that's when you can then put real money in and start to do the same thing. The most important thing in trading, guys, is a stop loss. All right? Because no matter what your technique and your tactics are, you need to have a stop loss. This will stop you from losing money you can't afford to lose. Okay, so make sure you do a stop loss and everything will work out as long as you keep a stop loss and manage your funds. All right, guys, I gotta go, but we'll check back in and later. I think this is gonna hit this in the next half an hour, in the next 10 minutes even, but yeah, hope this has been helpful. Tap in, let's just